Hello, I have collected cookbooks for over 50 years and now I am starting to make recipes for my videos out of different cookbooks that I have collected over the years. In this today's episode, I'm making from this 1988 A&P cookbook a dish called Locro that's popular in South America, especially Argentina. So come along and I will show you how to make it. In this pan I have 2 tablespoons of oil. I use extra virgin olive oil. And this is 2 sliced onions. It says to cook the onions until they are tender and slightly colored. And after I get these to cook, I will come back and continue. So now I'm going to add, it calls for 1.5 pounds of stew meat. I bought a small round tip roast and cut that up so it's closer to 2 pounds than the 1.5, but that's fine. And it says to cook it for 5 minutes until it starts to get a little color to it. So after this meat is cooked a little bit here, then I will add the tomatoes and seasoning. And it's almost ready to add the tomatoes. It calls for a 14-ounce can of tomatoes. And I have these petite diced tomatoes. It's 14.5 ounces. And you add it with their juice. Okay, now I'm going to add the tomatoes. Add the tomatoes and 2/3 cup of water. It says salt to taste, so I have 1 teaspoon of salt here with 2 tablespoons of paprika and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne. It says stir and bring to a boil, then turn it down and simmer for 1 3/4 to 2 hours until the meat is almost tender. Then we will add the rest of our ingredients with the chorizo sausage sliced, corn, chickpeas or garbanzo beans. Bring this up to a boil and then we'll cover it and simmer for 2 hours. So after this has simmered, come to a boil and then simmered, I will be back to when I add the rest of the ingredients. It has cooked for 2 hours and now I'm adding the garbanzo beans or chickpeas, the sliced chorizo sausage, and the corn. And then it has to continue to simmer for another 30 minutes. And then I'll be back. The locro is done and it says to put little diced pieces of mozzarella, sprinkle it on the top to serve. I hope you will try this recipe. We had it before and it was really delicious. Please like and subscribe to get notifications of future videos that I make. Until next time, goodbye.